Welcome to my classroom. Okay. Get my things. Look, they're all my work. First, this is my first drawing. Second, 3, 4, 5, Dolores, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're all my drawings. Please wait.
Oh wow.
They're my and then super board now. I'm just showing my California landmark slideshow.
Did you do this?
Look, they're on the edges. Look, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next is landmark essay rough draft. No, that's
என்னது என்னது
That's my goal balloon. I reached my goal.
Reached all your goal?
I'm going to share. I'm going to
லிஸ்ட் காட்டு லிஸ்ட் எவ்வளவு முடிச்சிருக்கீங்க
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 9.
என்ன பண்ணணும்
We need 2 more. I'm going to share your desk. I'm going to share my desk. This is my desk.
சோனியோட பிக்சர் எங்க இருக்கு டோன்ட் பண்ணு
அவங்க பயங்கரமா இருக்காங்க பசங்க மிஸ் பண்ணியா
Welcome to the Ronan 4th grade production of Gold Dust or Bust. We have been working hard to learn all about our state's fine history during the gold rush era. Tonight, we would like to share that we all have learned. Thank you and enjoy the show.